Session 13 of Industrial Relations and Labour Legislation of 6th semester BBA of Mangalore University. Unit 2 Industrial Disputes, Session 13. In this session we shall study about meaning and definition of industrial disputes. Dispute means difference or disagreement of strife over some issues between the parties. Whenever an industrial dispute occurs, both management and workers try to pressurize each other. The management may resort to lockdown and the workers may resort to strikes, gherav, picketing, etc. So there is some confusion, there is some misunderstanding, or the workers do not get the wages paid properly, or they don't get their answer to their problems. So there are some issues which causes for industrial disputes. The Industrial Disputes Act 1947 extends to the whole of India and regulates Indian labour law so far as that concerns the trade unions. It came into force on April 1st, 1947. The Industrial Disputes Act extends to whole of India and applies to every industrial establishment carrying on any business, trade, manufacture or distribution of goods and services irrespective of the number of workmen employed therein. Profit maximizing goal or of management and wage maximizing goal of labor or workers contradict each other. These diversified goals of management and labor result in conflict of interests and consequently industrial disputes. These disputes are also called as conflict of interests or conflict of rights. Let us see the definition according to section 2 subsection K of the Industrial Dispute Act 1947. Industrial dispute means any dispute or difference between employers and employers, or between employers and workmen, or between workmen and workmen, which is connected with the employment or non-employment, or the terms of employment, or with the conditions of labor of any person. The objective of the Industrial Disputes Act 1947 is to secure industrial peace and harmony by providing machinery and procedure for the investigation and settlement of industrial disputes by negotiation. Let us see the characteristics of industrial dispute. There must be a dispute or difference between employer and employer, employee and employee, or employer and employee. It is connected with the employment or terms of employment or with condition of labor of any person. The dispute must affect a large number of workmen who have a community of interest, and the rights of these workmen must be affected as a class in the interest of common good. The dispute should invariably be taken up either by industrial union or substantial number of workmen. The parties to the dispute must have direct and substantial interest. According to Section 2A of the Industrial Disputes Act 1947, a right to the individual workman himself to raise an industrial dispute with regard to termination, discharge, or dismissal. So these are the characteristics of industrial disputes. These are the references.